A few months ago, I went to mainland China for a short trip and picked up this keyboard on the way. It didn't really cost that much, around 130 renminbi, which is this much in US dollars. I was quite curious to see how a Xiaomi made keyboard with a number pad and red switches would perform, especially at this low price point. Spoiler alert, I was not disappointed. Let's start by talking about the design. This is a full-size keyboard with function keys that have brightness, media, and volume controls, and a number pad. The exterior of the keyboard is grey with an orange escape button. The build features simple ABS and PC plastics, and it connects via an unremovable cable with a standard USB port. There are lights on the top right corner that indicate caps lock, num lock, and Mac mode, which I use by the way. Make your way underneath the board and you'll find instructions, rubber padding, and 2 flip-out kickstands. The whole thing is backlit, and I haven't figured out the lighting controls yet and probably never will. It's fine. And that's pretty much it design-wise. I'll put the specific dimensions on the screen if some of you are interested. Let's talk about how this keyboard feels, because that's the most important part for me. The keys are pretty much what you would expect from standard red switches. They're soft, doesn't really have a click, and it's pretty quiet and smooth. The stability on each key, while not as good as something like a keychron keyboard, is still more than acceptable for at least my personal standards. Now, let's hear how it sounds. Obviously, sound is a very subjective thing, so I won't comment that much on it, but I will say that this is definitely more quiet than my other keyboard. One thing to note though is the spring-like metal-y sound that echoes after you click each key. It doesn't really bother me, but well, it might be something that bothers you. Overall, I quite like how it sounds and just how quiet it is generally. Let me know what you think. And that pretty much sums up this review. There really aren't too much to keyboards for me, but at this price point and considering that it's made by Xiaomi, I just had to check this thing out. The addition of the number pad was quite useful for some of my university statistics homework. I hope I passed that course. So yeah, this is very much a work keyboard for me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Subscribe if you want to see more, but only if you feel like it. And we're done.